Hello Fierce Loves! Welcome in! 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐿 𝐓𝐫𝐢𝐻 and you're all back from Fierce Eye, and look at what I'm holding on my hands right now. This is the brand new Apple Watch Series 4 and it's a special edition with the Nike, and it's exactly named Series 4 Silver Aluminum Case, Summit White Nike Sport logo in 44 millimeters. So remember that about 2 years ago, I'm not really 2 years ago, it was like 2017, November, that I unboxed my Apple Watch Series 3, and this time it's Series 4. And this is a lot bigger because it's 44 millimeters, and I used to have the 42 millimeters. So let's go ahead and check it out right now. We've been waiting for this for so long. So without further ado, let's unbox. So let's do this. Ta-da! I will have a special guest hand to pull this for me. Come on. Ooh, so satisfying. So satisfying. Okay, so the difference, I don't have my Series 3 box, but it was just a plain white boring one. It's like, this is more cooler, classy, black box. Just the box itself. Well, we waited for this for so long. So I wonder, how does Apple want me to open this one? Because it looks like this in the back. You're not like, what's up with that? It's like 2 stereo. What? Oh, like so. And I'm gonna go closer to you so you see. Bling, like so. Oh, and look at that. There's some Apple Watch printed inside. How cool. Okay, you know what? I was really expecting that I'm going to see the white box that I used to have with my old Apple Watch, but no, it's still the black box. So we have 2 boxes inside here. I think I'm going to do and this is such a cool unboxing experience because look at that box. That is, wow, well thought. And I think it's really worth waiting for because it's just a fun experience. So as I mentioned earlier, 2 boxes here. This is one. And another one with a special band. That's so cool. So first, let's just go ahead and check out this, and I'm just going to put this aside over here so we can focus on this. And it looks like so. Alright, so here we see the watch over here. Oh my god, so nice color. Seriously, oh my goodness. Alright, let's check this out. Wow, this my watch is not placed like this before. I'm going to put the link of my unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3, and you will see it's a big difference because I didn't really have this. I don't even know what we're gonna call this very nice jacket for this Apple Watch. It's like a protection case. Ooh, nice. It's like a velvety material. And ta-da! Here is the watch. That is way bigger than this one. Do you see the difference? And I think, well, I don't know about the thickness. I think it's a little thicker too. Look at that. Okay, let's do it a different way. So this one is the 44, and then the one in like rose gold is in 42. Cool. So I guess I'm gonna just unbox them for now, and then I'm going to open it after. And then in this one it says designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. How cool is that? Yes. So I guess we have some paperwork over here. So basically just talk about the watch. The basic stuff. Yes. So on this side, we can see the wall plug, EU edition, the one for Europe, there. And then here's the cord. Okay. And that's the one for putting on your Apple Watch. Oopsie. And it goes like so. Bing. So it's magnetic. That's good. And yep. And then I'm going to grab this one. And this contains the special watch band. Oh, goodness me. So exciting. Well, I get my watch bands from AliExpress or Wish. They're quite cheap there, but nothing beats an original one. So on this one, this is what we see in the front. Nothing on the side. So we have something on the back, of course. We have the Apple Watch logo and then the Nike Plus over here. And then it reads Nike Sport Loop. Hook and loop closure, reflective thread detail. Yep. And this in the different languages. And it's for the 44mm. Yep, so there. That's it. And let's open. Oh yeah, it says here Summit White Nike Loop. Okay, cool. Open. Oh, goodness. I really am having much more fun than when I unboxed my Apple Watch Series 3. This is like more exciting. Wow, look at that. And this is what people paid extra for. This cool stuff. Ooh, some more information. Yep. And this time, it's we have it in English, and it's the instructions on how to put the loop to the watch, which we're gonna do too. Yep. Ta-da! Look at that! How lovely! That is beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah. So there's a lot of like similar loops that we can buy on AliExpress or in Wish. But I really think that this is really awesome. So I'm just going to lift it like this. There's a plastic over here that secures it. So, oh yes. And then we continue lifting it and removing it from the box like so. And this is the loop. Initially, I noticed that on the loop, we have this logo over here, Apple Watch Nike, right there. And if you cannot see that, I'm just going to insert a photo of it for close-ups. And that is beautiful. Wow, this is really a nice sport loop. Better if you're working out, if you're running, jogging, or whatnot. So that's so cool. On the second part of this video, we are going to put the loop onto the watch and let's see what's inside this watch. Alright, so I am going to put the Apple Watch onto the loop. And there's some instructions here. Well, I already know how to do it, but it's better if like I read it from here too. So, number 1, to attach band, slide it until you hear a click. Okay? So, I'm just going to do it like this. Attach it and slide it until we hear a click. Yep, there you go. And then on the other side too, attach and click. And there you have it. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. And then adjust band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. And then I'm going to try it on my other wrist. So we do like this, and then we just need to pull this and adjust depending on which size fits more, or however it is that you find comfortable, like so. And then to remove the band, press the button and slide out. So if you wanted to change your band, that will be very easy. All you have to do is to press this notch over here. Press it and then slide it. So as you see this one, all you have to do is to press that and then slide this like so. And you can easily remove it. And also on the other side. Press and slide, and there you go. So that is all. And then also it says here that for more secure fit during water sports, reverse the loop band. Yeah, so this one is for your regular use, and then for water sports, you can go ahead and use this part instead. There you go. All right. So here is my Apple Watch Series 3, and this is the Apple Watch Series 4 Nike edition. I'm just going to do a quick comparison of the two. So this is 42 millimeters, and this one is the 44, and it's bigger. So at the back, it looks a little different as well. As you see, this one, probably just because of the color, but I noticed that for this one, it's like all black on the back. And of course, we have the Nike logo in here too, the upper right corner, right there. Yeah. So that's the difference between the two. And then let me go ahead and start this one. So we just need to press this power button right here. And there's the Apple logo. So it takes about a few seconds to load up. For 10 seconds. And now it says Apple Watch and then pairing. So in this part, I'm going to press this info button over here, and there's different languages, of course. So I can choose either Swedish or English. So for now, we'll just choose English. And then it says, set language to English on Apple Watch. Check. And then for the region, I have to use Sweden since I am in Sweden. There you go. And now we're setting the language. Now it says, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing.